Ever almost cry in a car that wasn't even yours? Me too. I thought I was tough about it. First time was an old orange coupe. Smelled like sunburned vinyl and oranges. Second was a 99 gray sedan with a heater.
6 months. 7 SUVs. Snow. Desert. Divorce. Court regret. All so you don't learn the hard way.
This new 4Runner TRD Pro just giggled at a trail that murdered my old Tacoma.
"85 miles an hour and 28 miles per gallon. I looked over at the camera like I just saw a ghost. I pulled off the highway and took a picture of the trip computer like it was Bigfoot. Had to prove it to myself.
The tail of the dragon isn't polite. It wants commitment, and this Soul Red CX-70 is all in. Inline 6, twin scroll, 340 horses, rear bias all-wheel drive. Watch the G meter hit 1.1 as the body leans and the tires
Run a hand over the nappa, supple, stitched like a custom glove. Piano black that actually stays clean, it glides under your fingers. And the whole cabin, it smells like a Lexus that summered in Italy. Warm leather, a hint of salt air, a little citrus in the sun. Starts at
418 horsepower. 37s. Box shocks. I jumped this thing, and it landed like a cat on ketamine.
Seven adults, a rooftop tent, 2 dirt bikes on a trailer, and still cruising the Rockies at 25 miles per gallon. That's the X-Pro difference.
And the third row?
Best nap I've had in years.
She was out before Vail. After a day like this, nothing feels better than sharing a fire with the whole crew. The 20...
Yeah, it's dead. Again. Third time in 2 weeks. This thing's supposed to be a 375 horsepower plug-in wonder, right? Midnight. Side of a mountain. Hazards and rain for company. And of course, no bars. Hard pass, man. Just hard pass.
Listen to that. CVT crying like a dying cat. Skid plate's getting a workout on a trail my buddy's 4Runner strolled up in 2-wheel drive. 19 miles a gallon. 19 on dirt in 2025. Took it on the same trail the 4Runner laughed at. This thing cried. Come on, man.
This is the third row in the Lexus TX 550H Plus, and that's me, folded like bad origami. Yet somehow this is an $80,000 SUV. 80 grand for a fancy Highlander that rides like a stagecoach.
This quad motor drift mode. All the grip in the world until you tell it not to. 835 horsepower shoving 4 huge tires sideways across the desert. You just steer with your smile. I felt like a god. Then I remembered the 18-month wait list and that these tires cost...
I want to love the Rivian. I do love it. But I can't let you bet your family's money on hope.
Buy the 4Runner if you want forever. CX-70 if you want to smile every morning. Bronco Raptor if you're not afraid of consequences. Telluride if you're smart. Your call.
Now tell me in the comments, which one would you daily? Which one would you light on fire if nobody was looking? I read every single one with a beer in my hand. Stay rowdy. Peace.